Well, state health officials say no new measles cases have been detected, which is good, but whooping cough cases across the state, they're up.
Yeah, doctors say if small children or infants get whooping cough, it can be fatal. Eleanor Tabone has the story.
The Louisiana Department of Health confirmed 2 measles cases this year. Both reported cases in adults in Region 1, which includes Jefferson, Orleans, Plaquemines and St. Bernard parishes. LDH says one of the cases was linked to international travel and that the first patient was unvaccinated. The vaccination status of the second patient is unknown. According to the experts, the number of measles cases across the state are thankfully far lower than our neighbours over in Texas.
Our herd immunity is high. It is dropping every year, which we're not happy about. But the fact is that it is still high. In Texas right now, most of the people that are getting the measles are unvaccinated people.
Dr. Corey Abair says while Louisiana isn't seeing as many measles cases as other states, residents should still get the vaccine.
So people are out there saying, oh, this will never happen to me. I don't have to worry about it. But when it does, and you get the measles, and you can get what's called subacute sclerosing panencephalitis, which is a brain infection, or you get the mumps, and then you get orchitis, which is an infection in the testicles that can cause a young boy to be sterile, or you get rubella and you're pregnant and you're not immune and then your baby dies in utero. All these things can happen when you're not appropriately vaccinated.
However, according to the State Health Department, there have been 170 whooping cough cases reported so far this year. LDH says our highest recorded year was 214 in 2013. Doctors say this year we're on track to surpass that.
Since we first started seeing the increase in cases, we have had 42 Louisianans hospitalized for pertussis. 29, or almost 70% of those, have been among infants under the age of 1.
The LDH reports 2 infants hospitalised with whooping cough died within the last year.
If a child has a high fever, coughing a lot, not eating, not drinking, decreased urinary output, go see the healthcare provider.
Doctors say the best way to protect yourself from measles or whooping cough is to get vaccinated. Eleanor Tabone, WWL, Louisiana.